Welcome to my channel. Mesh Wi-Fi Deco red light blinking. Reasons why TP-Link Deco blink red and ways to fix it. Blocked DNS request, bad or corrupted firmware. Faulty router, device, technical or software glitch. WPS connection is in progress, connection is lost. Deco service in your area is under maintenance. Now that you know the potential reasons, it's time to fix the same. Go through some of the tried and tested troubleshooting methods. First, restart mesh network. Open the Deco app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Network tab. Here, you'll see all Deco units. Select the primary router unit. Once selected, click on the three dots menu and tap on Reboot. That's it. Now, wait till the Deco light stabilizes. Second, inspect cables and connections. Look for loose, damaged, or moisturing cables, a power outlet, a splitter, and the wall jack. Remove, reconnect, and tighten up all wires correctly. If you find any damaged cables, replace them. Third, update router's firmware. Using mobile app, open the Deco app on your smartphone. Go to More System Update Deco. If there is any update available, download and install it. Using the web portal, head to the Download Center. Next, click on your Deco model. Select the hardware version. Click on Firmware and download if there is any update available. Fourth, factory reset Deco device. Keep the device on and find the reset button. Use any sharp object or pin and press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Do this till you see the amber, orange LED light flashing. This means the reset is in progress. Leave the button and wait for almost 10 minutes till the process is completed. Thanks for watching.